Things that bother you never bother me. Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine, ha-ha. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Having got a lot, I don't...
The left-handed gun doesn't work.
What?
Right hand. Do it again. Right hand doesn't work. Just to show it's not just him. My right hand doesn't work. Left hand. That is the weirdest shit.
That is the dumbest thing I have ever seen in my entire life.
I'm sorry.
Check this out.
That looks cool.
Oh, I almost shot that guy in the ass.
Yeah,
You want to move up to the white building?
Does it look like I can move up to the white building?
If you come around to me, you can.
Fuck that, it's too much walking.
Cheating and everything.
Whoa, wait, we're gonna get close. Okay.
Really? The guy with the knife? You're gonna get close to the guy with the knife?
I've got a knife too.
Oh shit. Motherfuckers! Get away with your knife! Alright, knives in. Marco, look at him, he's all sad. Come on, Marco!
That's funny. Oh my gosh. Who's shooting? Nice. Whoa. Okay, friendly. We good? Wow, that's a lot of people. Scared me. Are you in? Are you in game?
No,
You're not playing?
Observation.
Oh, okay. Oh shit, he's over there. Nice. You're done. I knifed you.
You knifed me?
Yeah, I did. Is he over there? Where did he shoot from? Mac. Oh shit. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of people. Okay, let's get him.
Okay, you were surrounded?
Okay, fine. Where's Mac? Is he in that building?
Yeah, see that window right there?
Yeah.
He's peeking at me through there.
Oh shit.
I'm a terrorist, I smile.
Shit. I'm gonna get him from this side. Sorry. You're good. Oh, he's right there. Get him. Shoot him. Bang.
Whoa! I can't believe hey, look over there! I was just confused. Marco!
Oh no.
You're just lucky I'm dumb and had my pistol on safe.
You're good, man.
Let's go! Did you guys...
I was wondering why you didn't shoot me.
Yeah, I was too.
Who killed you? Whoa. It's him. Get him. Oh no. Where is he? Are you alive? You are? Where'd he go?
Oh no! So dirty. So wrong.
The only reason I collect
You like my dance?
is because, so, you know, like those indoor parks, and you know how people kind of peek out? And you know
Now they can see me again, dude.
you know how
That's what happens in triple T. Mag out, mag out, mag out. Nope.
Oh shit. It's a dud. No. Yeah. Bang bang.
Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine. Ha ha! Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Having got a lot, I don't need a lot. Coffee's only a dime. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight.